How to change address on Scotiabank. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this following video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can update or change your address on Scotiabank. First of all, open up your application and log into your account by entering your credential. After you're logged into your account, you'll be directed to the home page, and once you're on this page, you'll be able to see multiple options. From the list, you need to select banking account, which is located right on top. So once you're on this page, you need to click on the More tab located right at the bottom. And as soon as you click on the More tab, next interface, you'll be able to see multiple options underneath. So from the list, you need to click on the Profile option right on top. And as you click on the Profile option, you'll be taken to the Profile page. So to change your address, what you need to do is you need to scroll down a bit and click on the Address button. So as soon as you click on the Address button, you'll be able to see the Edit option. Click on it. And once you click on it, next page, you'll be able to see information regarding your address. In order to update or change your address, all you have to do is just erase the current address. After that, type in the new one. Once you've made changes with your address, click on Save Changes right at the bottom. So as you do this, you'll be notified through a statement or an SMS that the address has been changed. So that is how you can change or update your address on Scotiabank. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.